Yo, what's going on? It's Stupid here. Guess what I'm gonna fucking do today, motherfucker. Look at what I fucking got here. Today is gonna be the Diet Coke No Burp video. I did it last year, so go check that shit out. But not just one, there is three. Three Diet Coke videos without burping, and I failed like a motherfucker. But thumbnail. That's a thumbnail picture, bitch. So tell you a fucking chocolate fucking bitch. I know what you hear outside. It's the skeleton. I'm trying to go see that shit. That's him. He's freaky and creepy. Good thing he's waterproof. Halloween is coming on the last day. And look at, that's his creepy laugh. That skeleton is freaking creepy. But let's chug this bastard down without burping. Diet Coke chug no burp video. I'm gonna chug this whole bottle without burping. And not fail. Like, man, this is gonna hurt, and I'm hopefully gonna win. Chug this damn bottle without burping. So time for a chug, bitch. Pot appetito, bitch. Oh. Good. Man, this is rough. I'm trying not to burp. I feel it. I'm gonna hold it in. I feel it. Since today is the Diet Coke No Burp video, I got half here. I'm gonna try drinking it. And I promise you guys, I'm not gonna burp. Oh, bro. Oh, it hurts. Oh, it's coming. Oh. Man, this is hard. Oh. Have you ever tried to hell to burp on purpose? Man, I feel it. This is not easy. Oh, hope it's happier. I want to burp so bad. Oh shit. Man, that's a loud burp today. Yes, I feel better now. Man, I wanted to burp so freaking bad. I'm half here. I'm not gonna waste this, so fuck it. Yes. Now time to finish this whole thing without burping. Here we fucking go. Not today, motherfucker. So nice freaking try, bitch. Man, it's almost coming out. Oh, shit. Man. It's definitely not possible to chug a Diet Coke without burping. Definitely not possible. I told you it's not possible to do it like last year. Whoa! Man, I burped again. What the hell? Man, that is definitely not possible to chug without burping. Hurts. I still have some left. It's so bad. Peace out, bitch. Definitely not possible to chug it without burping. Ooh. The No Burp video about Diet Coke is inspired by Instant Candy, Johansson, Furious Pete, and Badlands Booker. Oh, they did that. And Matt Stoney. And peace out, bitch. 2-liter Diet Coke chug no burp video. Here we go. Let's just go.